What's up everyone, welcome back to another Fortnite video. Today I'm gonna be just doing some solos, trying to get to that tier 100 Darth Vader. I need it, but I don't really have money, so I'm gonna have to do it the old-fashioned way. I kind of lost my account and I had to start a new one, so I don't have actually I have a lot of skins. But for a new account. But yeah, I don't have that many skins, but it's fine. I feel like I want to be this. This is my combo that I normally do, I guess. But yeah, I got the Among Us back bling. If you guys don't know how to get it, you just go to the Epic Games store and put in your thing, and then you can get the Among Us back bling for free. So yeah, it's really simple. It's like $3 or so. Yeah. Okay, so let's go. What is that? Okay. Okay, we're just gonna wait for a little bit. Okay, we're in. As you guys know, I have to record it like this because my Xbox does not have any, I can't record for long, as all you Xbox players know. Maybe PlayStation, I don't know. I don't really use PlayStation. But, yeah, you can't really record for more than, 10 minutes or, 5. Well, to record for 10 minutes, you're gonna have a special thing. So, yeah. Sorry if the, camera's kind of crappy. I'm using my old iPad right now. So, yeah. Tree. I'm gonna land Shifty. Most of my victory royales I've gotten in solos were from Shifty. I mean, I only have 5, but it's fine. Kinda. So we're gonna try to just get as many victory royales as we can. I mean, I doubt it will happen because I'm not really that good at the game, but yeah. I'm okay. Guys, FaZe Jarvis is online. Ooh. Bet. Ooh, someone's tree. You're probably gonna get mad at me for doing this, but free loot, you know? Challenge complete. Oops. Oh well, the pigs are gone. Actually, nah. I was gonna say I might want to move my tree here, but yeah. Oh yeah, I never take these ARs. They suck. I hate hammers so much. I'm not really that good with DMRs, but I'll take it, you know? But once I start running low on AR ammo, like once I start using it, yeah, goodbye DMR. Yeah, don't ask why I did that. Guys, you know what was like the most irritating thing ever though? It was one time I was playing AKA like 3 days ago. And so I was playing a duos match. It was me and my friend. And I basically carried him because he just switched to PC for the first time. And he doesn't really play on PC. So, I had to carry him the whole time. But, like, he died like 3 times. I rebooted him 3 times. And so then eventually he stopped dying. But then he died at the end, right? He was staying for a while. Then he died when it was like 7 people left, maybe. And and there was no reboot vans left in the circle, so I basically had to carry. So yeah, it was a 1v1. The part that was annoying was it was a 1v1. I was dropping a 20 bomb, right? I had 20 kills. That I would have dropped to 21 kills if I got that victory royale. We had a victory crown. And so basically we had a victory crown, and then this kid was like hit me for my shield. But then I got my SMG out. I was spraying him, right? He got to 36 HP, and then he one-pumped me. And yeah. If only I got two wins. If only I got that second win. Don't ask why I bought that. I felt like it. Oh yeah, also I died to a hog rider one time. There was a dude with that, you know, the default skin. Not meant to be racist, but the black default skin. And okay, that was okay. That was intense for me, you know. But yeah. So there was the dude with that skin, the like black default skin, not meant to be racist. But yeah, he had the black default skin, and then he also had that like one hammer. I don't know how you could get it, but there was like a hammer pickaxe. It wasn't laser beams. It was. You guys probably don't know or do know what I'm talking about. But yeah, he pickaxed me. He was like on a hog. I had no guns, and then he came up to me and just started pickaxing me. And I was low because I was in a pickaxe battle at the start, and it was like right at the start of the game basically. So I was at 2-tap to pickaxe, and then he pickaxed me on his hog. It was honestly kind of like, it's been such a long time since Fortnite made me laugh. Damn. I can't even get that mythic. If no one can have it, if I can't have it, no one can. I don't really play Fortnite that much, so I might be a little bit bad, but I'm not terrible. Okay, I'm going. I knew he would get out and shoot me. That was so predictable, though. Is he still shooting me? Okay, no. He's shooting someone else, I think. Okay, there's some trees over here. Please don't be mythics. I just want a shotgun. 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 Or not. How about a shotgun from you? No. 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 No shotgun. Oh well. It's fine. Oh, there was some lag right there. Someone broke his tree, or he broke it. Legendary? Don't mind if I do. Did they? Okay, I was about to say, did they all give me DMRs? Got him. I'm sorry. Had to do it though. Got him. Well, got his truck. I mean, yeah, I'll take the auto, actually. There's another dude on a pig. Sup? Got him. Guys, please don't roast me about how I use an SMG. Oh gosh. Run. Okay, my truck's getting way too low. Come on. Ah, damn. Yeah, GG, I guess. Got him pretty low, but he got me, so. Damn. I just don't like when I miss stuff, so. I like going, oh, why was I lagging so hard there? I'm gonna put the worst combo that I can find. So him, oh my gosh. No. This, I mean, this kind of matches, but it's terrible. Okay, this actually matches. Wait, actually, I'm gonna try to match stuff with this guy. Yeah. This is basically his combo. Nah, I'm not doing it. I'm gonna be fish stick. Because why not? wrong thing. Oh yeah, sorry if you can't hear any sound. It's because of reasons. The ghost of the wire. What's taking so long? Okay, there. Background noises, you know? Yeah, I didn't do anything. Little does he know that this is pre-recorded and I actually killed him. No, I'm joking, it's not. We're gonna hot drop Tilted. If I die, then I die. Okay, we're gonna try to land up here or not. I thought he backed down for a second too. BMR. Okay, I'm gonna try to get up here. Damn, no. No, you don't, buddy. Bro, nah. Seriously? It fell, first of all, it fell all the way down. Second of all, I got that. That's better. You know what? I'm just gonna take this in case there's someone close to me. Can I make that? No, I didn't mean to fall. Okay, I'm just gonna go up to the roof. There's some pretty nice loot up there. Okay, there's a shotgun up there. Okay, I didn't get sniped. Bro, what in the... Okay, anyway, I'm gonna have to end things off here. I hope you enjoyed. Have a wonderful day. See you in the next one. Bye.